In a modern rambutan processing factory, the journey of the fruit begins the moment it arrives from the farms, carefully loaded in crates or boxes. Upon arrival, the rambutans undergo a strict initial quality inspection, where workers or automated machines check each fruit for signs of rot, mold, damage, or overripeness, ensuring that only the best quality fruit moves forward. The selected rambutans then pass through a thorough washing stage, which involves conveyorized water baths and gentle brushes or rollers to remove dirt, pesticide residues, and field debris, sometimes using sanitized water to maintain hygiene. Once cleaned, the fruit is sorted and graded based on size, color, and overall quality, often with the help of advanced optical sorting machines that detect blemishes and defects with high precision. For products like canned or frozen rambutans, the next step is peeling and seed removal, where mechanical peelers, steam blanching, or precise cuts separate the spiky skin from the soft aril, and seeds are discarded or repurposed. The extracted pulp or arils may then undergo pasteurization or preservation, such as sterilization in cans for long shelf life, heat treatment for juice or puree, or rapid freezing for frozen products, all designed to maintain taste, texture, and nutritional value. Throughout the process, quality control checks are continuously conducted, including sugar content, bricks, acidity, microbiological safety, and visual inspection to ensure uniformity and freshness. Finally, the rambutans are packaged according to their product type: fresh fruit in trays, mesh bags, or containers, canned in syrup or juice in bottles or pouches, and frozen pulp in vacuum-sealed trays. Each package is labeled with brand information, batch number, expiry date, and nutritional content before being stored under controlled temperatures, whether cold storage for fresh fruit or freezing for processed products. Once ready, the products are shipped to retail markets, distributors, or exported worldwide, completing the meticulous journey from farm to consumer in a highly automated and hygienic modern factory environment. Inside the factory, automation plays a key role at almost every stage, ensuring efficiency, consistency, and hygiene. After washing and sorting, the rambutans move along conveyor belts to specialized peeling machines, where the spiky skins are carefully removed without damaging the delicate flesh. In some factories, steam blanching is used to loosen the skin, allowing the arils to be separated smoothly. Once peeled, the fruit goes through seed extraction, often using precision machines that gently press the pulp from the seed. The extracted arils are then directed toward different processing lines depending on their final product. For canned rambutans, the arils are submerged in a sugar syrup and placed in sterilized cans, which are heated under controlled conditions to eliminate bacteria while preserving the fruit's natural sweetness and color. For juice production, the pulp is blended, strained, and pasteurized, sometimes undergoing ultraviolet or heat treatment to ensure safety and extend shelf life. Frozen rambutan products are rapidly chilled in blast freezers, locking in freshness and flavor. Throughout this process, quality control teams continuously monitor every batch, testing sugar content, acidity, microbial safety, color, and texture to maintain the highest standards. After processing, the fruit is carefully packaged. Cans are sealed and labeled. Fresh arils may be vacuum-packed, and juice or puree is bottled in hygienic containers. The packaging stage also involves precise labeling with production dates, expiry information, and batch numbers, ensuring traceability. Finally, the finished products are stored in temperature-controlled warehouses until distribution, ready to reach supermarkets, restaurants, or international markets. The combination of advanced machinery, rigorous hygiene protocols, and continuous quality checks ensures that every rambutan leaving the factory is safe, delicious, and ready for consumers to enjoy. The modern rambutan factory not only focuses on efficiency, but also on sustainability and minimizing waste. During processing, byproducts such as seeds, skins, and damaged fruit are carefully managed. Seeds may be used in animal feed or as raw material for oil extraction, while leftover skins can be composted or converted into bioenergy. The factory environment is meticulously monitored for hygiene, with regular sanitation of equipment, conveyor belts, and work areas to prevent contamination. Workers follow strict safety and cleanliness protocols, often wearing gloves, masks, and protective clothing, while automated systems reduce direct human contact with the fruit. The entire operation is a seamless integration of technology, precision engineering, and quality assurance, ensuring that whether the rambutans are being sold fresh in trays, canned in syrup, frozen for export, or processed into juice and puree, each product meets high consumer standards. The journey from farm to factory to shelf reflects careful planning, modern machinery, and scientific handling techniques, allowing people around the world to enjoy the tropical sweetness of rambutan with consistent taste, texture, and safety. This highly coordinated process highlights how a delicate, perishable fruit can be transformed efficiently and hygienically in a high-tech factory, making sure that every bite preserves the freshness, nutrition, and exotic flavor that rambutans are known for. Modern rambutan factories are marvels of technology and precision, where machines and humans work together seamlessly to handle the delicate fruit. Conveyor belts transport the rambutans through different stages of processing, while sensors and cameras continuously monitor for defects, ensuring that only perfectly ripe and high-quality fruit continues down the line. Automated peeling machines gently remove the spiky skin, reducing waste and preventing damage to the soft arils inside. In parallel, specialized seed removal equipment extracts the seeds without crushing the flesh, preparing the arils for canning, freezing, or juice production. Temperature-controlled tunnels and blast freezers maintain optimal freshness, locking in flavor and nutrients immediately after processing. Every step is carefully timed and coordinated, with supervisors and quality control teams constantly checking sugar content, acidity, color, and texture. Even the smallest byproducts, such as discarded skins or seeds, are managed efficiently for sustainability, either repurposed for animal feed, oil extraction, or composting. This combination of automation, scientific handling, and environmental responsibility demonstrates how modern factories not only ensure delicious, safe products but also maintain high standards of hygiene, efficiency, and sustainability, making sure that every rambutan that reaches the consumer is fresh, flavorful, and perfectly processed. After processing, the rambutans are carefully packaged to maintain their quality and freshness. Fresh fruit is placed in trays, mesh bags, or plastic containers, while processed products such as canned rambutans, juice, or frozen pulp are packed in sterilized cans, bottles, pouches, or vacuum-sealed trays. Each package undergoes precise labeling, including the brand name, batch number, production date, and expiry date, ensuring full traceability and compliance with food safety standards. Once packaged, the products are stored under controlled conditions: fresh rambutans in cold storage to slow ripening, frozen pulp in blast freezers, and canned products at room temperature. Temperature and humidity levels are constantly monitored to preserve the fruit's texture, color, and flavor. Finally, the products are distributed to supermarkets, local markets, and international destinations, ensuring that consumers around the world receive high-quality rambutans that retain their natural sweetness and exotic appeal. The seamless integration of modern machinery, skilled labor, and strict quality protocols throughout packaging and distribution guarantees that every rambutan delivered is safe, fresh, and ready to enjoy, showcasing the precision and sophistication of contemporary fruit processing factories. The entire journey of rambutan from farm to factory to consumer highlights the remarkable combination of modern technology, meticulous quality control, and sustainable practices. Every stage, from receiving and washing the fruit to peeling, seed removal, preservation, packaging, and distribution, is carefully designed to maintain the fruit's freshness, flavor, and nutritional value. Automated systems and skilled workers work side by side to ensure efficiency, minimize waste, and uphold the highest hygiene standards. Even the byproducts are thoughtfully managed, contributing to sustainability and reducing environmental impact. The result is a seamless process where delicate, perishable rambutans are transformed into a variety of products: fresh trays, canned in syrup, frozen pulp, or juice, ready to delight consumers locally and around the world. This high-tech, carefully orchestrated operation not only makes exotic tropical fruits like rambutan accessible year-round, but also demonstrates how modern factories combine innovation, precision, and care to deliver quality, safety, and taste in every bite.